As we contemplate the Sun, we become acutely aware of its enormous power and the energy it radiates throughout our solar system. It is hard to imagine anything capable of surpassing our Sun. Yet beyond our own star lies a cosmic wonder that makes even the mightiest solar giants seem insignificant by comparison, VY Canis Majoris. This red supergiant defies explanation with its enormous diameter, irregular pulsations, and unpredictable behavior. The star remains an enigma to scientists who are still studying its power and potential. Join us at Waves Discovery as we delve into the constellation Orion with the James Webb Space Telescope and explore how VY Canis Majoris could change our understanding of the universe and its impact on the cosmos. If you're interested in keeping up with news from the universe and its surroundings, subscribe to our channel. Be sure to like this video and turn on the notification bell. Although many people are unaware of this fact, it is possible to spot VY Canis Majoris in the night sky during the winter months in the northern hemisphere. Just look up and focus on the constellation Orion and Canis Major to see this dazzling star in all its splendor. You can easily locate the reddish-orange star that marks the upper left corner of the rectangular shape of the constellation. VY Canis Majoris is one of the largest and brightest stars in the night sky, making it difficult to miss. However, if you have looked closely at this star, you may have noticed that it does not remain constant. In fact, it varies in brightness periodically. This peculiarity is no coincidence. VY Canis Majoris, as it is called, is no ordinary star. Although it may appear as just another point in the vast firmament, it is located at a distance of more than 640 light-years from us. At first glance, this figure may not seem impressive, but in reality, it represents an enormous distance. To illustrate this magnitude, let's imagine that we could travel at the speed of light, which unfortunately is not possible. Even in that hypothetical scenario, it would take us more than 640 years to reach VY Canis Majoris. If we wanted to undertake such a journey in a spacecraft, even using our most advanced technologies, it would take us more than 12 billion years to reach it, far exceeding the entire history of human civilization on Earth. However, the scarcity of light from VY Canis Majoris is not solely due to the distance separating us from it. VY Canis Majoris is classified as a pulsating red supergiant, which means it is an ancient, massive star that undergoes expansions and contractions. During these cycles, its brightness can vary in the night sky, becoming more intense or dimmer. These brightness changes can occur over extended periods, ranging from tens to hundreds of days. Remarkably, VY Canis Majoris can oscillate in brightness over a wide range, from near magnitude 0.5 to reaching a peak of magnitude 0. This variability follows cycles, with the shortest being 185 days and the longest being 2,335 days. At certain times, VY Canis Majoris can become quite faint, a condition referred to as its minimum brightness. In February 2021, it was reported to have reached its lowest brightness in a long time, reaching a magnitude of plus 1.64. Although relatively bright, this is significantly fainter than how we usually observe VY Canis Majoris. Brightness is not the only outstanding feature of this star. VY Canis Majoris is known for its distinctive reddish color, which is due to its cooler surface temperature of about 3,500 Kelvin. This temperature is much lower than that of our Sun, which reaches approximately 5,500 Kelvin. Consequently, VY Canis Majoris emits much less energy per unit area compared to the Sun. Despite being one of the largest stars we know, it appears much dimmer. VY Canis Majoris is akin to a giant that is satisfied with a low profile, not needing to show off its size to feel important. However, don't be fooled by its appearance. VY Canis Majoris is a supergiant star that is about 20 times the mass of our Sun. This immense size is one of the reasons this star has been the subject of numerous studies over the centuries. It has been a prominent object in the night sky and was first identified by the ancient Greek astronomer Ptolemy. The star's name in Arabic means the Giant of Orion. Although not much was known about VY Canis Majoris at the time, modern telescopes have enabled researchers to study this phenomenon in greater detail. By analyzing the light emitted by VY Canis Majoris, astronomers have been able to determine many of its properties, such as its size, temperature, and composition. The Hubble Space Telescope, for example, has provided detailed images of VY Canis Majoris' surface, revealing intricate patterns of gas and dust. These observations have allowed researchers to create models to understand the star's behavior and predict its future evolution. VY Canis Majoris has also been studied using the Atacama Large Millimeter/Submillimeter Array, ALMA, a state-of-the-art observatory located in Chile. ALMA has provided high-resolution images of the surface of VY Canis Majoris, revealing details about its structure and behavior. One of the most remarkable discoveries made by ALMA is the presence of an extensive plume of gas extending from the star's surface. This plume is believed to be caused by pulsations from VY Canis Majoris. These pulsations can be explained by a process called convection, which involves the rising of hot gas and the sinking of cold gas. This motion creates waves that travel through the star's atmosphere, causing it to expand and contract. Thanks to the Hubble Space Telescope, detailed images of VY Canis Majoris' surface have also been obtained, revealing intricate patterns of gas and dust. These observations have allowed researchers to create models to understand the star's behavior and predict how it might behave in the future. In addition, VY Canis Majoris' surface is marked by dark spots, also known as star spots or magnetic spots. These areas on the star's surface exhibit particularly strong magnetic intensity, resulting in a cooling effect. As a result, these spots appear darker compared to the rest of the surface. VY Canis Majoris' magnetic field is believed to be thousands of times stronger than that of the Sun, causing the gas on its surface to be trapped in loops or arcs, creating regions of intense magnetic activity that are visible as star spots. It is important to mention that the presence of star spots is not unique to VY Canis Majoris, they are also observed in other stars, including our own Sun. However, the star spots in VY Canis Majoris are particularly interesting because of their size. They are several times larger than Earth and can cover up to 20% of the star's surface, which is significantly larger and more numerous than the sunspots observed on the Sun. These star spots can affect the overall brightness of the star, causing variations as the spots move in and out of view. In the case of VY Canis Majoris, the pulsations of the star also contribute to its brightness variations. As the star expands and contracts, star spots move in and out of view, further amplifying the variations in the observed brightness. The surprising thing is that VY Canis Majoris is not as unique as one might think. While there are not many stars like it, there are some that share certain similarities and are equally fascinating. One of VY Canis Majoris' cosmic cousins is Antares, a red supergiant located in the constellation Scorpius. Antares is also a variable star, meaning that it undergoes changes in brightness over time, just like VY Canis Majoris. In addition, Antares has a mass approximately 12 times that of the Sun and a radius that is 700 times that of the Sun, so it's safe to say that Antares is no slouch in terms of size. Now, what do you think? Do you believe VY Canis Majoris has already exploded, and it's just a matter of time before we see it in our skies? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to Waves Discovery for more content. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.